We've got an exciting day today, so let's get some makeup done. I'm gonna put some pimple patches on, but so we have a good day today, an exciting day. More errands, more shopping. I love a shop. So I sold a microphone, so I need to post that. We're getting ready right now, doing some makeup. It's 7 a.m. It's supposed to get to 30 degrees today. So that's what I'm most excited for. So I'll show you my outfit, but I'm just wearing this cowboy carter jersey and a black skirt. I'm gonna wear my cowboy boots, and then I have a top on underneath, so I have like a strapless top on underneath, so if I want to take it off I can. But right now, because it's 7 a.m, it's not that warm, so just wanted something for the meantime. So I sold a microphone, so I need to go post that. I need to buy hair because I'm getting my hair done on Saturday, which is going to be another vlog. And then I need to run an errand for someone, do that. But that also includes getting able to sit down and get a drink so we can have a little chin wag whilst I do that. And then it's about sunbathing. And I bought a picnic blanket yesterday, so I bought a picnic blanket yesterday, so I'm excited. And later on, and just lay that picnic blanket out and relax in a park. That's what I'm hoping for. So it better be warm today. Actually, let me not make threats because I feel like if I do that, something might happen. So my plan is, what I need to do in a vlog, bring you with me, and then I'm gonna come back home, take my makeup off into full sunbathe mode because I don't want makeup on whilst I'm sunbathing. There's a park near me that's really quiet. It's super hidden. Also, because it'll be the middle of the day, it won't be like post-work hours, it should still be really quiet. So I think that would be really nice to go there and have some little secret sunbathing and might take some grapes. So yeah, so I'm gonna come home first so I can get myself, because I was originally thinking I should just bring everything with me, but I'm not gonna bother doing that, it's just unnecessary. So I can come home, get the picnic blanket, maybe change my clothes and stuff, just depends on what the vibe is. I don't think I'll need to change my clothes, but it just means I don't have to carry everything around with me. Also, I did do contour yesterday and it did eat, so I'm gonna do it again. It actually went well. I just feel like I don't really have an obvious place that contour would be. I wanna go and do a learn your own face makeup masterclass thing, because I'm not bothered about, it's not like, I don't know, I think it would be good to know your own face. Be able to really do a beat at home. I'm gonna do something different today. So I'm gonna take it off at midday anyway. Do a really light colored blush. This is Bold Faced Lilac from the e.l.f. Liquid Camo. Pretty. Oh my god, that's so nice. Doing freckles today? Are we not doing freckles? I think yes. Can you even see it? I don't even know if you can tell, but next, we're doing powder. I think I ate this contour again. I'm so excited to get my hair done. Literally, that's tomorrow. Oh God, getting braids is just so good. Literally, it's just so, I'll be in full. I'm already in holiday mode, but once I have braids, for me, I always feel like I look my best. And plus, you don't have to do your hair. It's great. Very minimal, super easy. Just need some more glue on this lash. There we go. I'm still gonna do some bronzer, I think, because I'm still feeling a bit, and I've got the blush on, but I feel like I need. The blush is really nice, big one, and I can just loosely put it everywhere. Want to warm my face up a bit. I can't tell if my contour is too intense, probably. It's hard, obviously, when you're inside. All right, I think I've made it a bit more natural. Ooh, where you at, friend? Cute. Just gonna do liner. That's cute. This Fenty lipstick. It's such a good go-to or thing to carry around for on the go. Hot chocolate. That's what that one is. So that's my face done. I just need to do some highlight. My face is done. That was actually really quick in my head, but in reality. Highlight. This is the look. I feel like that was so easy. I didn't do eyebrows. Do I care? Not really, but I have time, so I think I'm not even gonna gel them today because whatever, I'll just line them. So I was thinking my vlog schedule is gonna be like Wednesdays and Saturdays, because Wednesdays I don't stream, I don't go to the gym. It's just like a day off in the middle of the week, so I feel like that would be a good day to get a YouTube video out. And then on Saturdays. I just feel like Saturday's a good day, right? Because I know what I'm doing on a Saturday, and that's sitting and watching YouTube videos. So hopefully other people will be doing that too, and you can watch me on a Saturday. So I got a vlog coming out on Saturday. This is the outfit. So this is the outfit. It's nothing crazy, but then I have on a strapless top. So like I said, if I wanted to take it off, then I can. The skirt is quite short, but it is a skirt, so I'm just like gonna firm it. Whatever, you know, they're gonna tell me. Then I just need my socks. I'm a bitch because I'm motherfucking saying so. These are the cowboy boots. So now the whole outfit's cute. That's the outfit, that's everything. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna leave the house in 15 minutes. Wow, I got ready really early this morning. Don't know how I accomplished that. I literally never accomplished that. So obviously I don't have big curly hair. It's so hot that I had to put my hair back because it's not sunny though. So I'm kind of disappointed because obviously I wanted to sit out in the sun, but there is no sun. It's very hot, but there is no active sun to actually sunbathe or anything in. So that's a shame. I'm now thinking I could be on my own balcony. If the sun's not gonna come out, I could enjoy the comfort of my own balcony because it is hot. So I just have to be sure that that's what I want to do, because once you go home, that's it. But anyway, we have stuff to do before then. Running an errand for my stepsister. I'm basically here now. So I will speak to you in a min and we'll go on to errand number 2. It's been done. So happy with that. Also, I'm wearing yet another strapless top, so I have to just say that because it looks a bit sketchy otherwise. But yes, one chore down. I sold my microphone that I no longer need, and if you watch my last video, I explained all of what was going on with the microphone, but I sold it last night. She sent me the money this morning, so I'm now going to the post office to send it to her. So that's great, some extra money. And also, I've got £50 in returns coming back into my account. So I'm feeling like I just got paid, basically. So that's great. I'm just adding it to my holiday funds, to be honest. No, it's not. It's girl math, so it's my money back, but it doesn't feel like it because it's been a week. So now I'm just like, oh, I'm getting paid again. Whoa, crazy. I'm just walking up to the post office now. As you can see, it's still not sun blazing. Like me, it's only worth being out of the house in the sun if the sun's actually blazing on you, like get you tanned, whatever. If it's overcast and warm like this, I have a little outdoor balcony I could be on. I'm almost at the post office now, so I'm gonna go in, sort this parcel out, and then we'll be on to chore number 3. That's done. Obviously I couldn't film, so that's 2 chores that I can really film anything, but the third chore is, I don't want to call it a chore because I love an errand, to be honest. I love just doing stuff, specifically when it's warm though, because you're doing errands and it's freezing, it's not nearly as fun. But the third errand of the day is I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, so I need to go buy some hair because I'm getting braids, so I'm getting extra hair braided into it. So I need to go pick up some hair, and I could do this tomorrow before my appointment, but I just feel like, knowing my luck, I'm actually not that unlucky, but I would be worried that, oh, it just for some reason the hair shop isn't open tomorrow, because then that's it basically. So I'm gonna go now, just so I know it's all sorted. I've got everything that I need. I don't know if I should go blonde though. I'm literally gonna decide whilst I'm there, because I had blonde when I went to see Nicki Minaj. I have a video on that as well, so if you want to watch that, then I will put it on the screen. But that was actually a disaster, not because of the braids, but because of Nicki Minaj. Anyway, if you want to find out about that, you can watch the video. I was blonde for Nicki, and I loved that. And I'm just wondering if I want to be blonde again. Maybe. It's cute. I think I want something different. I actually would really love honey blonde, but I'm not really spoilt for choice at the hair store that I go to, or the one that's near me at least. So I'm just gonna get there and decide when I'm there. I just need to make sure I'm even going the right way. But the sun is definitely not coming out, which is fine, because that just means we'll eat at home, sit out in the warmth at home, because now I'm thinking we could eat pizzas, we could put our own music on. I might even buy some cocktails. I want to try those buzzball cocktails. Has anybody had those? Because I want to try the buzzballs, because they just look, I don't even like cocktails like that, but I don't know. They're part of a trend. They're a part of a trend that I want to be a part of. So I think I might get a couple of those. I might just get 4 of them, and then if there's more a motive, a vibe after those 4.
How do you do like? What do you do for anxiety? Like when you've got like anxiety with people and stuff?
You can't care. It'll hold you back.
What's your channel?
I'll put it in. Can't care about stuff. You have to just
Like I've wanted to do streaming and stuff.
stream as well. But why? Because of anxiety or because
I don't like being in front of crowds and stuff. I don't like being people.
we don't have to meet anyone for streaming.
I know, but sometimes it's just hard. All right then. Thank you very much.
No worries. Anyway, that was random. He was asking about streaming and vlogging and stuff. That guy was saying, how do you overcome... I don't think I gave a good advice. How do you overcome being anxious about vlogging and around other people? And I just said, you just can't be. And I feel like that wasn't good advice because it's like telling someone, oh my God, look how cute this place is. Wow, so cute. I feel like it wasn't good advice because it's telling someone to stop being sad. But I didn't really know what else to say, and I meant it in a nicer way than that. I meant you can't let fear hold you back, unfortunately. I understand that's easier said than done, but fear will stop you doing everything if you let it. I also find once you start doing anything, whether it's filming in public, whether it's streaming, whether it's singing in public, anything that's public facing that you're nervous about, honestly, once you start doing it, even taking a picture and posing, you're nervous to pose in public, you realize how much people don't give a fuck. In the best way though, people don't give a shit. And I think you have to think about yourself and what you think if you saw someone else doing it. You might look, but your thought would just be like, oh look, they're doing that. I understand it's easier said than done though to have that kind of mindset, but I guess that's what my advice would be. That's kind of what I meant by that, but it's just, I feel like it wasn't a good answer. It wasn't a useful answer, actionable thing that he could do. But my advice is always like, I'm sorry it's so loud because I'm literally in between 2 buses right now. My advice for things like that is always to just start. You have to just start. And you'll realize so quickly how people are not bothered. People don't care what you're doing. They don't care about you. You care about you and that's it. Nobody else cares. So, or what I found as well, the people that do care and do want to say something are people that are interested. It's never the opposite. It's never people that just want to hate you for the sake of it. So, anyway, I'm here now. We're in the hair store. We're gonna pick out some hair. Swift change of topic. There was a fly on me. All right. Have this, it's like brown. They have a full-on blonde. I like the end color of this, but I want it all to be that color. That's nice, but it's ombre. Found it. I want, oh no, there's only 2. I think I need 3. Oh no, because this color to the root. I think that's nice. I think that's gonna look nice. But I need a 3rd one. I'm really searching. I guess I can use one of these. It's only 1. Might blend a bit better anyways. All right, let's just get those. All right, those 3 will be fine. I'm gonna ask though about if they have a 3rd one of that. Let's go. You guys work here?
Yes.
I'm looking for another one of that. There's this, but obviously it's black at the root.
Oh.
Couldn't find one, I don't know if you have one. Oh, perfect. So just those 3. Thank you so much. Yeah. My downfall, you're my muse. Oh, I'll get a lip gloss whilst I'm here. Just want to get a lip gloss as well. It is on, it's not live. YouTube.
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm new to it, but it's only on me and it can only hear me. It follows me around. You see it's moving. It's all me. Yep. Oh, I need to pay. Yes, please. It'll be out this weekend, so you'll see the shop. See you guys later. You see what I mean about how people either don't care or they love it? Whatever. How am I supposed to not be like, oh yeah, this is cool actually? That was the 3rd chore down. What's the 4th chore? I can't even remember now. The 4th thing to do is, I have my notebook today, by the way, so I could actually check, but I can't really be bothered. What's the 4th chore? Oh, white skirt. I want to see if that white skirt that I wanted is in stock. It probably isn't because I only checked yesterday. Oh, also, the 5th thing that I want to get, because we can get this all in one sweep. I wanted to get an outdoor rug just for that part, but do you know how much rugs cost? Oh my God, it wasn't worth it, especially because I'm hardly even sat out there. But I had a thought after yesterday. I bought a picnic blanket and I thought, why couldn't this be a rug? It's basically the same thing. It's so much cheaper. So I know it won't be as durable, but who cares when it's £6? So I'm gonna look for a picture frame because I need a picture frame. My one's smashed. And that's in the same place as the picnic blanket. So I'm gonna get a picnic blanket as well for the balcony. And at the same time as all of that, check if the white skirt, the skirt from H&M that I want is in stock. I did only check yesterday though, so I don't know, either I'm gonna be lucky or I'm not. We'll see. He shouted, "Hi YouTube." Look how nice these things are. Look at that. That's so nice. And this suit, I don't even know if you can tell, but it's all gold and glittery. I'm trying to show you, but it's literally so nice. So cool. I always wanted to try that, it's so silly. So, frame. Wish me luck, because it's never here. No. They only have white. And then this is they only have one type, I guess. I'm sure I like it enough. These are the picnic blankets. This pink lobster. It's cute. I guess I could just use the one I have at home because I already have that one. I was hoping for a more muted color like a black or so. They don't seem like they have any others. It's a shame that they don't have that. But it's fine. I'll just use the one that I have at home already. And if I want to have a picnic blanket, I'll just buy another one. Because I'd like one that can just stay out there. I don't want to keep moving it and packing it up, so if it stay out there. So, what time is it? It's only 2 o'clock. I think I'm going to cycle home. Maybe I'll just order food. Basically, if I cycle home, I can't get the food that I would get because I would have to cycle past the shop. And I'll be getting one of the city bikes, so you have to park them in each bay, and there's not a bay close to the shop. So, I just want to be home quickly though, so I always cycle home if I can. I have my fucking magnetic thing for the Osmo. I'm gonna see if I can use it on the bike. I know that sounds so crazy, but I'm gonna try it. We'll see. Even if it's just, I don't know, we're just gonna try it and see. But basically my errands are done. I'll see you on the bike, hopefully. If you don't see me on that bike, it's because you weren't able to be anywhere, honey. I'm sorry. But if not, I'll see you at home. So, see you later. I know I said I was going home, but this is the salad I've ever had in my life. So I'm gonna get that. I need to find something chicken related as well. It's a shaker salad, but I'm gonna get this because I never have it. It has egg and cheese and bacon and chicken and crouton. It's everything. I'm also gonna look for buzzballs, but I feel like I'm in M&S and they're fancy. I don't feel like they're gonna do buzzballs, but I could be wrong. Guys, well, I don't know if you can hear me because I'm not using the little mic. I'm gonna enjoy my salad. I'm gonna sit here out on the balcony. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I'll see you again in the next one. The next one's coming soon because I'm literally filming it tomorrow. Hope you have a nice, whatever time of day it is. Bye too. Love you. Goodbye.